Oh my God, dude, I'm on the other side.
What's up, guys? E-Drone here, and today we are going to be diving these condos again. Stay tuned.
He's going over and landing at the other red car.
We got MD95 TSI.
What's up, champ?
Chipping it up. We got Doc. What's going on, brother?
up?
How you liking the condo dives?
Oh yeah, I always enjoy them.
Feels real good out here.
Yeah, last time we were out here though, I literally broke both my quads somewhere else, and then we were like, let's hit Ocean City, and I'm like, but both my quads are broke now.
Exactly. We got Vince up in here. They're doing some condo dives for the first time. This is your first. This is your first one.
Yeah, that's all. I mean,
That's
probably
all.
maybe half
And
that
just
size has been
took
the tallest I've
the
ever
dive.
been.
Like,
Wow.
The one that I showed you in the video was
Yeah.
probably the tallest one at that
fucking
Grand
trippy when you
place.
get
But
in
this
that-
is
How did it feel to finally like
It
get in
feels
there
good,
and dive
especially
it?
when you're getting closer to the ground. Like,
He literally just, we watched it line of sight come down, and you couldn't put a piece of paper under his quad. I mean, he came down, and I like to drive it to the ground and come out, but hit the ground was just like how the hell he see that?
Yeah, we got a lot less wind this time around, guys, so we're going to go ahead and send it. Oh my God. It's still recording. Yo, Doc is a lifesaver. If you don't have one, get you a Doc. Have you a Doc. At every meetup, somebody can climb the trees. Thank you. Are a lifesaver, bro. Oh my God. Thank you so much, dude. You are the man. Hey, if we're gonna go somewhere and eat after here, I got Doc's meal. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. And there's gonna be more FPV 6S freestyle videos to come on the channel. Stay tuned for that. Until next time, guys. E-Drone and the local crew out.